Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up, to kick things off with week 3 of our summer code jam, we have week 3 Tynker Basketball Championship by A Person Who Codes. In their code, we can see some say blocks, when I receive blocks, point and direction blocks, forever blocks, and go to XY blocks too. The Summer Olympics are here, so select a flag for the country you want to represent in this game and win the basketball game. Next up, we have another Week 3 submission, Week 3 Olympic Sport by King Cat. In King Cat's code, we see repeat blocks, play sound blocks, broadcast blocks, and create clone blocks as well. Hit the targets and rack up a high score. Next we have Boxing Game Beta by Enlightened Handle. Checking out their code, we see set blocks, forever blocks, switch to costume blocks, and broadcast blocks too. Land combos and beat your opponent in this cool boxing game. Last but not least, we have Work Simulator Beta by General Koimgi. In this awesome text coding project, you can choose to be a chef or a programmer and fulfill your working dreams. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time.